Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learning Room Pro. Today we tell a new long story, The Boy and the Magic Lamp. In a small village near the desert, there lived a poor boy named Amir. Amir was 12 years old. He had no father. His mother worked very hard to buy food. They had a small house with one room. Amir helped his mother every day. He cleaned the house, he fetched water from the well, he sold fruits in the market to earn a few coins. One day, Amir went to the market to sell apples. He sold all the apples and got some money. On the way home, he saw an old man sitting under a tree. The old man looked tired and hungry. Amir felt sorry for him. Amir said, "Grandfather, you look tired. Please take these coins and buy some bread." The old man smiled. "Thank you, kind boy. You have a good heart. Because of your kindness, I will give you a gift." The old man took out a small old lamp from his bag. The lamp was dirty and old. It looked like nothing special. The old man said, "This is a magic lamp. Rub it 3 times when you need help. A kind spirit will come and help you. But remember, use it only for good things. Never be greedy. If you are greedy, the magic will disappear." Amir took the lamp. "Thank you, grandfather. I promise to use it only for good." Amir went home. He showed the lamp to his mother. His mother laughed. "It is just an old lamp, my son, but keep it. Maybe it will bring luck." That night, Amir could not sleep. He thought about his mother. She worked too much. She was always tired. Amir wanted to help her. Amir took the lamp. He rubbed it 3 times. Rub, rub, rub. Suddenly, smoke came out of the lamp. The smoke became a big blue spirit. The spirit had kind eyes and a big smile. The spirit said, "I am the spirit of the lamp. You called me. What do you want, kind master?" Amir was surprised. He said, "I want to help my mother. She works too much. Please give her a comfortable life." The spirit smiled. "You have a good heart. I will help." The next morning, a rich merchant came to the village. He needed a helper in his big shop. He saw Amir's mother and said, "You work hard. Come work in my shop. I will pay you well and give you a small house near the shop." Amir's mother got a good job. They moved to a better house with 2 rooms. They had food every day. Amir was happy. But one day, a bad man in the village heard about the lamp. His name was Kareem. Kareem was greedy. He wanted the lamp for himself. He wanted gold, a big house, and power. Kareem followed Amir one day. He saw Amir rub the lamp and talk to the spirit. Kareem waited until Amir was not home. He stole the lamp from the house. Kareem rubbed the lamp. Rub, rub, rub. The spirit came. "What do you want, master?" Kareem said, "Give me a big palace, gold, many servants. I want everything." The spirit looked sad. "You are greedy. The lamp is for good hearts only. You broke the rule." The spirit disappeared. The lamp became normal. No magic. Kareem got nothing. He was angry and threw the lamp away. Amir came home. he saw the lamp was gone. He was sad, but he said, "It is okay. We are happy with what we have. Kindness is better than magic." Many months later, the old man came back to the village. He saw Amir and his mother living well. The old man smiled. "You used the lamp for good. The magic worked because of your heart. The lamp is gone, but your kindness stays forever." Amir said, "Thank you. I learned that true magic is in helping others." From that day, Amir grew up to be a kind man. He helped many people in the village. Everyone loved him. The moral: kindness and a good heart are more powerful than any magic. Never be greedy. Thank you for listening to this story. If you liked it, please like the video. Comment in simple English, what would you ask the magic spirit? And please subscribe to Learning Room Pro right now. Turn on the bell for new stories every week. See you next time. Goodbye.